First one is Setosa, second one is Virginia, and last one, third one is Versicolor. Is it right?
The first one is Versicolor, the second one is Setosa, and third one is Virginica.
Hello everyone, welcome back. First of all, I have to upload my iris data. My iris data has 3 different flowers and 4 different leaf sizes. After uploading my data, there is first 5 rows here. After that, I have to convert my flowers to integer, like string to integer, because machine learning works with numbers, right? So I have to convert words to string, to numbers. So here I'm using the mapping code to convert string to integer. So right now all of them 0, 1 and 2. There is no more flower names. So we are ready to work with this data right now. Like X and Y. X means the leaf of size, and Y it's integers like 0, 1, 2 means which is the flower category. After dividing X and Y, I have to train both of them. I have to divide 80% and 20%. So I'm using here 0.2 means 20% of test size, and random state is 1, 2, 3. But this doesn't matter. You can use any kind of number, 5, even like 10. Let's use 1, 2, 3. So right now it says like 120 and 30. So this is 80% and 20%. Here I display the first row of X train, X test, Y train, Y test. Here I convert labels 0, 1, 2 into one hot encoded format. So every column has 1 numbers. Here I create neural network with 3 dense layers using ReLU activation and softmax to classification. Here I compile the model. After that, I train my model here. After training my model with 20 epochs, accuracy is 89%. After that, I just switch to 4 epochs, and I repeat here. Instead of 100, 10 and 3 dense here, and after that it became a 96%. So here right now it's much better. How the number of layers or hidden units could impact the accuracy of our model. So more neurons, higher accuracy, but risk of overfitting. Fewer neurons, risk of overfitting. Do we always suffer from overfitting? No. With enough data and the right model, the overfitting does not happen. Can we detect the overfitting? If training accuracy is very high, but test accuracy is low, and test low increases, overfitting exits. How can we reduce overfitting? More data or dropout. Early stepping techniques can be used. Here, let me change with number of optimizer. Here. STK. When I change optimizer, new accuracy became 46%, so it's so low. So let me change back. Number of layers. Let me write instead of 100, 50, became 60% when I changed the hidden units. Changing epics. Too many epics lead to overfitting, while too few may result to low accuracy. Changing batch size. A small patch size helps the model generalize better but takes longer to train. The best model depends on the right balance between accuracy and overfitting. Thank you.